This week's featured product is sure to give you a leg up while on the job. Check out the aluminum work platform from Priority. Built out of lightweight aluminum, this versatile piece of equipment is perfect to keep on hand when out on site, at the shop, or in the garage. Coming in at 21 inches tall, 37 inches long, and 12 inches deep, it's much easier to carry around than a ladder when all you need is a little extra height. Capable of supporting up to 250 pounds, the top has built-in ridges to reduce slipping, and the legs also have rubber, non-slip feet, ensuring that this platform won't be going anywhere no matter who uses it. Speaking of the legs, they are attached via sturdy hinges, which not only keeps them strong, but they also fold up when you're all done for quick and compact storage. But now you need a stable area to work on and you left your sawhorse in the truck. Don't worry, this platform can work double duty as a support for whatever you're working on. And come break time, you can even use it as a bench, keeping you off the ground while you enjoy your lunch. So let's add some versatility to the work site with this week's feature product, the aluminum work platform from Priority. Think this would make a good addition to your equipment? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to follow the channel so you can stay up to date with all the latest featured products. Have a great Canadian day!